Hello, I'm Gambit and welcome back to Infliction Extended Cut. Okay. Okay, I'll turn it off. Turn it off. Never mind. What exactly? Okay. Hello? Whoa. Let me go under here. Oh my gosh. Okay, mister. Uh, nope. Gone. Okay, good. Okay, what does that mean? Oh, maybe a jewelry? A necklace? A ring? Maybe a necklace, huh? A ring will be too small to find. I suppose I have to jump to pictures? Nothing. Nope. Computer. Maybe I can print something? Nope. Can't turn this on. Alright. I don't think there's nothing in here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hello. Okay, in the doctor's office. Oh my gosh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let me... Okay, this is not good. Can't open it. Recovery. Nothing else in here. Alright. Nothing on the drawer. Oh, that just says the same thing. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Can I hide? I can. Okay, because remember that music last time? And then she come running at me. No? Please go. Oh, golly. She can come walking around. Do I still have my camera? I can't get my camera out. Okay, we're just gonna have to... Whew, just go for it. La 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 la. Okay. Oh my gosh, you see what happens? Ah! Oh, jeez. Okay. So we must be getting kind of close. Doctor's office? Maybe in here? In a drawer? That one's locked. Oh. Nothing? Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Now I'm back. There's just somebody at my door, so scared the heck out of me. Alright. Take a picture? Probably this one? Or no? No, I don't think so. Otherwise they would have had that little eyeball thing on it, right? Can't go through. I'll take one just in case. Nothing. Nope. Okay. This could be something else I was missing in here. Nothing. I don't think. No. It says keep going. La 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 la. What's that say? Staff only. Whoa. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh. Elevator. Nothing. There's no power. Okay, so I must have to go in one of these old spooky rooms here. Nothing down here though. Okay. Whoa. Oh. Use vent. Oh. Okay, don't lose your flashlight. Don't use that flash. Oh. Ooh. My head. What the heck is that noise? Oh. Was that a minecart? What's a minecart? Oh my gosh, okay. Whoa, 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 hey. Hey now. Hey now. Okay, so I'm guessing don't go through there. Texas Chainsaw guys over there. Nope. I was coming this way. Disappeared? No, he didn't. What's he doing? Okay. Or am I supposed to trap him in there? Oh. Mind? Okie dokie. Whoa, that's a large cleaver you got there. Okay. Just shut that door real quick. Oh my gosh. Okay, big feller. Gosh, how am I supposed to get past this guy? I don't think he can fit through the door, can he? Okay. We're just gonna sneak. Oh! Yeah. Okay, ouch, 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 ouch. So he'll see me no matter what. Ow, ow, ow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, come on. Hurry, stay in here. Or stay in that room, stay in that room. Come on, guy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, okay. Stuck in there now. Okay, probably not for long. Let me go. There's the elevator. Doesn't work. Oh. Okay, I'll check that next. Stairs. Oh my gosh. A ring? Or a necklace? Why is... Oh, is that for the elevators? Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, yes. Let's go. Oh, geez. Did he bust out of there? He did. Oh, come on. Oh, Oh my gosh, there he was. Holy smokes. Whoa, there's a guy with a big dragon axe or something. Oh, okay.
All that training paid off, it seems, as she came first in the annual trial.
Oh,
And you know who you are,
what?
do you? Some believe this is their life flashing before their eyes. There's really a moment of clarity, a clear meaning, and understanding that every action you take will bring you closer to your judgment. Do you understand the extent of your actions?
Oh.
The tormentor can become the tormented. The giver of gifts.
Yo. Yo. Whoa, whoa. Jeez. Oh my gosh. I should have grabbed that letter on the table, but that guy was talking. Oh, what'd that say? Oh, it said hide. Do I hide now? I don't think so. Oh my gosh, there she is. The door's locked anyways. Whoa, okay. Ah, no, you can't get me. I'm under the table. You can't see me. Okay, you can go now. I think I am supposed to get caught. Alright. Here comes a jump scare. Alright. I'm getting out. No! Oh my gosh. I didn't know what to do. She was just standing there. Okay. Now she should be gone. Oh, okay. Wait, what'd that say? Oh my gosh, that's a lot of days and oh my gosh, no, not again. Hey, you. Okay, maybe I gotta hide proper from her and then she won't see me. Turn my light off. Okay. Let's see now. Yo. Yo. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Alright. Try it again now. What? There is no phone. Oh.
Throw the switch. Bright light. She can't stand it.
Okay. Alright, mister. I didn't see a switch. Now, so if I wasn't... I didn't see nothing. In this area? Oh, I don't see no switch, mister. At the end of the hallway, probably? Okay. Let's just go. Let's go. Where? I don't see none. Oh my gosh! She caught me again. Turn around. Okay. There's one. Whoa. Okay, mister. I don't see no light switch around here. Oh, I'm out of camera! Oh man, she just KO'd me. Oh my gosh, I just used my last photo. We're screwed. We're done for. In here. Close the door.
12th of April, 1996. I hadn't spoken to him in what seemed like an eternity. So I was shocked when he asked me to come back to the cabin. I assumed he wanted to fix a marriage.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe try to move past everything and start over. Last time we were at the cabin, it was so romantic until the freak show started. And I vowed never to go back, but if we help our marriage, I'll try anything to end this nightmare. Once we got there, he just started babbling about this being the place of conception and rummaging through that fucked up basement. I don't know if I should be indulging him or getting help. I want him to get help, but I'm scared of how he'll react.
No. Take a photo. It'll last longer. Why is she still crunching? Take a picture of this. Oh. Nothing. There's no light switches anywhere. Whoa. Oh! Hi. Okay. Whoa, what's this? Ah! Oh, never mind. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, 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 hey! Ooh. Okay. Chill out now. Oh, no. Nothing. Oh, hey. Oh, you can't look through there? Oh, yeah, you can. Let me see. Oh, my gosh. Oh. Okay. All right. Jeez Louise. So. Oh. Okay, I think that's, yep, that's everything. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, let's take another picture. I know I took a picture of it last time, but I got that one side right. I need that one symbol and... Oh, no! Okay. Nope. Nope. Probably. And... There. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. I probably have to really try to shorten this one down. Ooh. What was that? Okay, I can't open that door. Gosh, that crunching noise is still there.
Little Michael. I'm still not used to the name,
Oh.
but it's starting to grow on me.
Hmm. Oh, I see. Let's just keep moving on. Whoa. Oh, there's steps over there, so back here. Oh, whoa, 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 hey, 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 watch out. Move these out of the way. Okay. So what is it? Where is it at? Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm back in the basement. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nothing. Nothing, nothing. Oh. Nope. Okay. Suppose we'll go through this side. Can't go through here. Nope. Nope. Okay. I don't think a piece of jewelry would be here, right? Gosh. Chill out with that. Okay, I guess we do have to go upstairs. Go in the bedroom. That's the only place I'm thinking. Oh! Alright. Don't mess around, man. Whoa. Staff only. Oh wait, now I gotta check this door just in case. I don't think I can. Oh, I can. Let's take a look at this. Take a picture. Nope. Nothing in here. Oh wait. Wait. What'd that say? 10 left. 50 right. 5 left. Okay, so 10, 50, 5. Up here, does this have a combination on it or no? Nope. Can't get into there. I don't know what it's supposed to do with that painting. I took a picture of it. Okay. Oh. Okay, so. Yeah. Oh. Take it with you. Whoa. Whoa. Oh.
Some believe this is their life flashing before their eyes. Every
Holy.
action you take will bring you closer to your judgment.
Gary's gone
Okay.
totally insane.
Understand
That was brutal, man. I
He
don't
hates me
think
for
I
not standing up to
should
him.
probably cut that out, right?
Alone, and I wish
Jeez,
I
how
was
rugged.
home. I love him. I can't just leave him like this.
Okay. Oh my gosh, bro. That was... that was nuts. That was some crazy stuff right there. Burn the items. Okay, so... it's like almost 39 minutes. Almost 40 minutes. Holy smokes. Okay, well... yeah, I'll leave this off right here. And then the next one should be the finale. I hope. Yeah. I mean, this game is crazy, yo. Alright. Well, you have yourself a good one. And I'll catch you in the next one. Later.